Una good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotional na daily message book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Tuesday, 27th August 2024, and our topic today na to work for God. Our memory verse dey for John chapter 6 verse 28. Then come ask am, wetin we go do to make God happy with us? Our Bible reading dey for Hebrews chapter 6 verse 9 to 14. But as for una wey be my friends, even though we dey talk to una like this, we know say these things no go happen to una because una don understand God's salvation. God no dey support people anyhow. He go remember how una dey help in people before and how una still dey help them now. Una be God people, and He no go forget the love wey una show in children. As una still dey this world, we want make una continue to love one another so that wetin una dey hope for go come. So make any of una no tire, but make una dey patient and believe so that una go gain God promise. Nobody big pass God, because God swear with Him name when He promise Abraham say, na me be Baba God, I go bless you well and your children go plenty. Now the message. When I become born again for Redeemed Christian Church of God, they no dey call those people wey dey work for church workers, they be dey call them children of God. E get why o. If pikin go in papa house come see say things no dey where they suppose dey, he or she go begin put things how they suppose dey. But if na visitor come that same house, he or she go just look for where he go sit down, come sit down kulele. If you dey look God as your papa, anytime when you reach in house, you go do anything wey you fit do to make sure say things dey work well. You no go fit just go your papa house and you throw a face like say e no concern you anything wey dey happen for the house. You get plenty reward if you be worker for God house o. One of them dey for 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 6 wey talk say farmer wey work well na him suppose get the first share of the harvest. Because you be farmer wey dey work to make sure say the land produce food for everybody, you go be the first person to get share of the harvest. This one mean say if you work to make sure say services dey run as they suppose run, na you go be the first to receive share of God blessing and miracle wey go happen for those services dem o. Nobody wey work for God go without any reward. Hebrews chapter 6 verse 10 don already talk say God no dey support people anyhow. He go remember how una dey help in people before and how una still dey help them now. Una be God people, and He no go forget the love wey una show His children. God no go forget the work wey you do with love for am o. God don talk for Leviticus chapter 19 verse 13 say make una work and wait until the next day before una pay them. You think say no go reward you as you dey work with am directly? The money wey you go collect when you work for am na im be protection, provision, sound mind, deliverance, sharp answers to your prayer and plenty other things. Even when e dey okay for church to employ professionals or pay them make dem work for some service, I dey always tell church members wey stubborn wey dey always charge money if dem do any work, even when church no employ dem, say make dem no expect anything from God again o, as dem no fit receive payment 2 times for the same service. As worker for church, once you talk say make church dey pay you for any work wey you dey do for church, you don make yourself payment staff for God house, no be im pikin again you be o. The thing wey make we think about for today message be say, you really be child of God or you be visitor for im house? I thank una as una listen to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.